Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to do something a little bit different. My sweet husband is going to make breakfast in bed for me and take care of the kiddos while I sleep in a little bit. So that is what he is showing you here, even though Noah's being super grumpy. And he's also going to do a little clean with me so you guys can watch him.
He doesn't like me because I won't make his cereal right now.
He is using my favorite creamer. It's the Silk Almond Milk Pumpkin Creamer. It is the best I have found so far.
I want to go deliver this to my princess.
Here he is going to be making breakfast. He is cutting up sausage and he is going to do eggs and biscuits. Biscuits for them and gluten-free bread for me. He is a very hard worker and he has to usually get up on Fridays even though that's his day off. So I will usually get up on Saturdays for him and let him sleep in, but on this day he decided to let me sleep in, so I was very appreciative.
I wanna drive a faster car. Lay my troubles to
My kids are watching The Little Rascals, and well, they call it The Little Rascals. But my 8-year-old says that he looks like the bully. And if you've ever, come here, Liam. If you know Little Rascals and you know the redhead bully, come here. Liam says that he looks like the bully. So go watch The Little Rascals and look at the bully and see if you think they look alike. Gluten-free bed. My lovely wife, gluten-free.
I did not realize I was standing in front of the camera. We had talked about doing this video, but I didn't know he was doing it this morning, so he quickly sent me back to bed and I went.
I don't know if you can quite see this, but that's me telling my wife that I love her and good morning. So we're gonna go deliver. We're gonna go deliver this to her, and she's probably gonna be mad because she has one of those breathe things on her nose, but we're gonna do it anyway.
Oh my goodness.
Cover your sexy leg up.
Thanks, babe.
Don't worry. Be happy.
I'm hungry.
All right, Noah, you come out here. Yours is out here. Come on, let's go get it. Daddy's got it ready.
Thanks, my love.
You're welcome.
look at the beautiful stars. I wanna drive a faster car. I'm gonna be myself. I'm gonna be someone else. I'm gonna be myself. I'm gonna be someone else. I'm gonna skip my breaks. I'm gonna make mistakes. I'm gonna skip my breaks. I'm gonna make mistakes.
So, I know you can see in the fridge when I grabbed these, but it was so easy. Do you know why? Because we have a little Lazy Susan in our fridge where you just spin it around and grab what you need. Brilliant.
I'm gonna skip my breaks. I'm gonna make mistakes. Try not to hold me down. Feel alive when I'm in this town. Look at those beautiful stars. I wanna drive a faster car. Nothing can break me. No, no, nothing can break me. Try not to hold me down. Feel alive when I'm in this town. Look at those beautiful stars. I wanna take a trip to Mars. Nothing can break me. No, no, nothing can break me.
So now he is going to clean up everything. He is pretty good about cleaning up after himself. So I always clean while I cook and he just waits to do it when he's done, and I say whatever works for you if he's doing it. So now he's going to take care of the kitchen and get everything cleaned up.
I could stand you all night, just drinking in your sunlight.
you guys, I have left his Instagram handle in this video, so you guys make sure to go follow him on there, show him some love, and let him know that he did a good job. I think these are a lot of fun, and it's kind of cool to see a different perspective in the morning, and I think all of us women can appreciate a husband letting us sleep in and cleaning up.
Our dreams are where you'll find me. You're the only thing I see. Our dreams are where you'll find me. Your lips like galaxies.
For some of you watching, you may not quite understand what this stuff is on the wall,
There are going to be women, they know.
or what this stuff is here. My wife just reminded you that a lot of you are probably women that are watching, and you probably know exactly what this is. But that would be toothpaste all over the place, and as you can see, I've got my cool gloves. But this is the before, definitely. This is the before. And he's gonna shoot me with a Nerf gun, that's cool. But this is what happens when a 4-year-old starts playing with toothpaste unbeknownst to the parents. Let's see what it looks like when we're done.
Face, it don't mean nothing. 'Cause you keep the rays from entering our life. We belong.
So I don't think he realized he could have used a rag or one of my microfiber cloths to clean this up, but he used one of the, or a lot of the PDI wipes, but his hands are covered, so it's fine. I guess everything is really disinfected right now. He did a very good job, and I'm thankful. And I think he looks pretty cute in the pink gloves. Make sure you give this video a thumbs up and let us know if you guys thought this was a cute video. Give a thumbs up if you're a woman and you want your husband to let you sleep in. We will definitely be doing more of these if you guys like them, so let me know in the comments below. He is definitely a husband that works very hard all day and comes home and is ready to do whatever I need him to do, so I'm really thankful for that. Again, let us know if you guys want to see more of these videos. I think they're cute, and I like getting him on the camera more so you guys can meet him and get to know my family more.
Make us stronger. 'Cause now
So as you guys saw, he was trying to get all of the toothpaste off of the sink, and it is really dried on there, even though it couldn't have been there that long, to be honest with you. But Noah thinks that he is a mad scientist and will come in here and make little potions. So that is what we're trying to clean up now. And honestly, I should have known better. He was quiet for a while, and this is what he was up to.
this summer will make us stronger, stronger. 'Cause now push all the limits with you right now. So watch your feelings, the city's screaming, we're not coming home tonight. We're living quick in the world, gotta get it right now.
Let me know in the comments below if any of you guys have kids that are just a mess. You can't leave them alone for a minute. That is my Noah. Actually, that's Liam as well. I have, out of my 5 children, I have 3 strong-willed kids. And it's not a bad thing, but they are definitely determined in their way.
We only need the two of us together. I need only you in this crazy world. 'Cause we got love, love. I need only you here with me. You wanna get close to me? Why don't you do it right now? You know we met for a reason, but you're trying to deny that we should be together. It's heavy weather, we're heading for tonight. You better take what you can, 'cause the time is right now. We only need the two of us.
Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up. If you guys are new to my channel, make sure you subscribe before you leave. I would love to have you join me on this journey. I always do weekly cleaning motivation for you guys, as well as DIY and crafts. I pretty much will do any video that falls in the mommyhood lifestyle category. So a little bit of everything, but always weekly cleaning motivation and lots of crafts and fun things like that. Also meal planning and how I run a large family. So I would definitely love to have you join me on this journey. It would mean so much to me. I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.